In this video, you'll see how to wrap text in Google Sheets so long entries stay fully visible inside their cells. Text wrapping controls. What happens when cell content is longer than the column width? And it's one of the quickest ways to make a crowded spreadsheet readable. Here we have a spreadsheet with a table of sales data, and several product names in column D are cut off because the column is too narrow to show them. If you find this kind of quick walkthrough helpful, a like on the video is always appreciated. To fix the whole column at once, rather than cell by cell, start by selecting everything you want to reformat. Click the column D header at the top to highlight the entire product column in one go. With the column selected, any formatting change you make now applies to every cell in it, including rows you haven't scrolled to yet. The wrapping controls live in the Format menu, so that's where we're heading next. Open the Format menu in the top toolbar to see the formatting options for your selection. Hover over Wrapping to reveal the 3 ways Sheets can handle text that's too long for its cell. Overflow lets text spill into empty neighboring cells. Wrap stacks it onto multiple lines inside the cell, and Clip hides whatever doesn't fit. Choose Wrap to make each entry display in full within its own cell. The text in column D now flows onto extra lines, and Sheets automatically increases the row heights so nothing stays hidden. Product names that were cut off a moment ago, like the longer keyboard and mouse entries, are now completely readable. That covers the main technique, but it's worth seeing the other options too, since each one suits a different layout. To compare, open the Format menu again with the column still selected. Hover over Wrapping once more to bring back the same 3 choices. Select Clip to switch the column to single-line cells, where anything too long is cut off at the border. The rows shrink back to their original height, and the extra text disappears from view, though it's still stored in the cell. So, the takeaway is simple. Select your cells, go to Format, then Wrapping, and pick Wrap for full visibility or Clip for a compact look. Thanks for spending a couple of minutes here. If you'd like more quick spreadsheet tips, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.